Okay, hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Sam, and I'm walking home because I told one of my friends that I'd be walking home and make a video because I'm gonna do a special shout out to my friend RJ. He watches my videos, and yeah, so I'm just walking home right now. See, ugh, why are my sidewalks so dirty? Like, this is disgusting. They have really pretty lawns here, though. Ah, shit, there's something in my nose. Anyways. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to catch up with everybody since I haven't made a video in God knows how long. You know, slacker for the win. I need to paint my nails when I get home. Look at this. This is sad. So, I had a softball game on Wednesday. Oh, and I dyed my hair. Derp. Anyways, on Wednesday I had a softball game. And this happened. So, I was running to home plate. And catcher had the ball. So I didn't want to stop running, and I didn't want to slide, so I just ran full force right into her. I fell on the ground, and then I just rolled over, got up, picked the bat up, and picked the last batter's bat up, and walked back in the dugout. But then, you see, I started crying, bawling my eyes out, like, doing the whole face, and tears everywhere. Sorry, I'm walking up, see? Welcome. Let me get my key. I gotta cover you up so you don't know where my key is. Ew, what the F? I just messed up my hair so bad. Oh, you hear Reese? Shit. This is the one thing I hate about my hair. It takes like 5 seconds, and I got scratched by my other dog. Oh, and today's Reese's 2nd birthday. Hi, birthday boy! So this is what I pretty much do. Oh, darkness. Creepy. It's like... But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up on what's going on. I'm gonna go. Reese, say bye. Say bye-bye. Give me a kiss. Good job. Say happy birthday to Reese in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.